Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make Progressbar in LateX and create so nice PDF document. So what we will need? We will need to install Xcolor package. After we will need Progressbar package, and we will need to install Enumitem package. Now you will see my Visual Studio Code and my document. I'm using these packages which I installed before. Enumitem, Xcolor, and Progressbar. This is the document class article. And as you can see, I'm begin Progressbar. After I have part, section, two sections, languages, and section my IT skills. As you can see, I'm using tool. Okay. Now we can see my PDF document, and we see Progressbar how to design. You will see a Progressbar with Python and Java skills. And after you see how to style a Progressbar with languages, for example, where I put item, begin item and end itemize. My skill bar is 8 from 10. After German language is 6 from 10. And you can view this document in web browser, and you can see how I made it. You will close PDF now. You can see it in browser. If I made some mistakes, please, sorry. But it's only to visualize how I made something. It looks really nice, and you can use it, for example, in your CV or resume, or something like this. You can change color, you can change text, and you can make your own document very easy. So I hope it was a little bit helpful for you, and we will see us in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye.